for future health crises following the uneven global response to COVID-19. After 3 years of negotiations, the legally binding treaty was passed by the World Health Assembly in Geneva. The agreement seeks to ensure equitable access to vaccines, drugs, and therapeutics during the future pandemics, with manufacturers required to allocate a portion of supplies to the WHO. However, the absence of the United States raises concerns over its effectiveness as the U.S. withdrew from WHO discussions under the Trump administration. While some experts view the pact as a step towards greater global health equity, others caution that its success depends on robust implementation. Indian authorities have arrested nearly a dozen people across northern states for allegedly spying for Pakistan, following the deadliest India-Pakistan conflict in decades. According to police, at least 11 individuals were detained in Haryana, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh, including a travel blogger, a student, and a businessman. They are all accused of leaking sensitive military data to Pakistan's intelligence agency, the ISI. Punjab's police chief said 2 men were arrested for transmitting classified details about Indian military operations, including New Delhi's retaliatory strike deep into Pakistani territory earlier this month. Investigators say the suspects were recruited through social media, financial inducements, and even personal visits to Pakistan. Some reportedly maintained direct contact with Pakistani handlers. The arrests follow a violent escalation triggered by an April 22nd attack on tourists in Indian-administered Kashmir, an attack India blames on Pakistan, though Islamabad denies any involvement. At least 60 people died in the subsequent fighting, which saw missile, drone, and artillery strikes exchanged for 4 days before a ceasefire was agreed. This marks the most serious confrontation between the nuclear-armed rivals since the 1999 Kargil War. Authorities say investigations are ongoing and more arrests could follow. Now, some of these suspected spies, those who are arrested, are Jyoti Malhotra, a travel vlogger from Haryana, accused of leaking sensitive information. Devender Singh Dillon, a postgraduate student, arrested in connection with the espionage case. Muhammad Tarif, a president of Kangarka village in Mewat, Haryana, alleged to have shared sensitive military information with officials from the Pakistan High Commission. Noman Elahi, arrested in Haryana, investigations reveal he directed financial transactions related to the spy network. Arman, another individual arrested in Haryana, further details about his role are under investigation. Shahzad, a businessman from Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh, arrested by the Uttar Pradesh Anti-Terrorist Squad and placed in 14-day judicial custody. Sukhpreet Singh, arrested in Gurdaspur, Punjab for allegedly transmitting sensitive details about military operations. Karanbir Singh, also arrested in Gurdaspur, Punjab, alongside Sukhpreet Singh, involved in leaking strategic information. Well, that's all we have time for.